It starts with a crocus. Every stroke captures the soul of a high-end shoe. A wooden mold is hand-carved, shaped to cradle every foot perfectly. Next, hand-picked leather. Calf for softness, crocodile for rarity, perfect for luxury. Leather is cut by hand, each piece exact, wasting nothing, pure skill. Stitching, Goodyear or Blake, double-stitched for strength, built to endure. Heated, the leather hugs the mold, forming a flawless, tailored shape. The sole, leather or rubber, is stitched on, securing comfort and style. Final polish and dye, hand-applied for a one-of-a-kind, radiant finish. Last rigorous quality checks, every stitch perfect, then packed in signature luxury.